What's up, everybody? It's your Reese Janelle, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and tap that subscribe button because you don't want to miss this news I'm about to drop for you today. So as you guys seen by the title, yes, we are about to see if Vapor Rub can make you lose some weight. So lately, I want to say, I'm not going to say, yeah, it's been a year. So it's been a year. I have been battling up and down with my weight. Not gonna lie, I've been slacking on going to the gym. I've been slacking on eating right. I told myself this year I was gonna eat healthy and start going to the gym. I definitely was gonna try to get into the vegan lifestyle because it's just time to get my skin and my insides under control. So what I did, I looked up a few ways to lose this tummy, and I will show you guys this tummy in a few minutes. But before I show you the tummy, I did look up a few ways to lose this stomach, and I came across this article with Vapor Rub. So I was like, I think I'm gonna try this out, and if it fails, it fails. If it works, it works. Either way, I'm gonna record it so I can show you guys my honest true opinion. So you will need some wrap. That's what it looks like. You're gonna need some wrap. You can get this from Dollar Store, Walmart, anywhere, but you need wrap. You're going to need some type of waistband, and I actually don't remember where I got this from, but I've seen a couple at, you can get it from Amazon. I've seen some waistbands that do have them at Five Below, Walmart, Target, but either way, you need a band. You will need some Vapor Rub. And this is what it looks like, you guys. So, Vapor Rub. I actually have, if I can get this rubber band on. I actually have some measuring tape so that I can measure my waist and actually show you guys the real results after it's done. If my waist got slimmer or not, we gonna see. But yes, you will need some measuring. You will need gloves. Only because I don't want to get the Vapor Rub smell in my fingers. So gloves, optional, you can or cannot use it. Now guys, I'm about to show you my belly and we're going to do my measurements. So please just bear with me and try and stick this shit in. But it's okay because we're about to get it under control. So I'm about to show you guys my waist and we're going to take my measurements. All right guys, so here's my tummy. Like, I gotta get this thing together, okay? Look at this. This is not cute. And I got the back rolls, like, no. This thing right here, you gotta get this real under control. And let me tell y'all, I've been sucking it in. And it's been hurting lately, so your girl can't keep doing that no more. So that's why we're about to do this little quick belly weight loss real quick with this Vapor Rub, because this little pudge, it got to go. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna take your Vapor Rub and we're going to rub it in on the tummy area. And I more so need to get like this pouch right here. So what you're gonna do is rub it in. And I know most people, when I looked up the article, most people do it at night because it's better off because, you know, you're sleeping, you're not moving around. But I decided to do it during the day because I was like, okay, why not? You know, I'm not doing anything today. And it can sit on me for a few hours. Most people do 10 hours. I don't know how long I'm going to do it for. Ooh, y'all, this shit is strong, okay? But yes, you just rub it in on the belly areas. Oh, and I also heard, ladies, that this helps with stretch marks. So if you got some stretch marks you want to get rid of, go ahead and use Vapor Rub. So but you just keep rubbing it in as so. Oh my God, this stuff is strong. Let me put a little bit more down here. So, all right. I forgot to check my measurements, y'all. I'm getting distracted. Let me go ahead and measure my waist for you guys so you can see, and we can see if this is really working. So right now I am, oh, this shit is sticky. My waist is 40. I'm 40. So we're gonna see if this works when I'm done. Put a little bit more, just because I'm more self-focused on this area right here. And I do have stretch marks on my sides, so we're gonna do my sides. And now that you're done rubbing it in, you're gonna wrap it up in saran wrap. Now that it's all wrapped, we are going to wrap it in your band, waist trainer, whatever you got, just to hold it in so that the plastic wrap doesn't move if you decide to sleep with it on, or, you know, during the day like me, just so that it can hold it in place. And basically that's it. That is all you do. And I will see you guys, and I'm probably gonna wear this for about a good, I'm gonna do 7 hours. Since I'm not doing nothing today, I'm literally in the house chilling, I could do 7 hours. So I will see you guys back in 7 hours to give you the update and show you what my tummy is looking like. All right, y'all, so a few hours went by. It is now 10:30, so that's like 9 hours. I do want to mention some things before I show you guys the wrap. So when you do decide to do the vapor rub wrap, if you're wearing it during the day or when you're sleeping, you are going to feel like a tingling feeling, and sometimes it might feel like your stomach is sweating or like dripping sweat. So that's normal. That's the wrap or the vapor rub working, I guess you could say. But you are going to feel that while doing this during this process. Another thing, the results are temporary. If you're going to go back to drinking sodas and eating cheeseburgers, things just to make your stomach bloat. This method is really for like if you're trying to fit into something the next day, or if you like, say if you want to start like a fitness journey and you don't want to be bloated while doing it, this method will like help. All right, enough talking, because I know you guys ready to see the results, and I am too. So let's get into this little belly. All right, y'all, so here we go. Taking off. Ooh, sweat on here. Got a little sweat or vapor rub. I mean, I said vapor rub. Yeah. On my little wristband. But anyway, so your wrap will start to fold. That's normal, and it actually is big now. Like, look at all this space. So this is what it's looking like, guys. I am not, I repeat, I am not sucking it in. Y'all, look at this. at this, you could really tell the difference a little bit. Still have some vapor rub on my stomach, so I will hop in the shower after I'm done this video. But guys, get into this. Now it didn't, I still got a little pudge right here, but as you can tell, my stomach did slim a little right here in this area, but this will not get rid of the pudge. I will have to do sit-ups for this, but for the most part, the process worked a little bit, I think. What y'all think? Can y'all tell the difference? Can y'all tell the difference from when I first did it until like now? Okay, so that was my end results. I try to be real as possible as I can and let you guys know my honest, true opinion about this method. If you have any questions about this method, please leave a comment below and I will get back to you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.